Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Hello friends, welcome to another week of analysis. Let's start with the Aussie dollar right away. So, I think the Aussie dollar failed to hold here. We were kind of expecting to see it test this stop. It didn't, which doesn't bode very well for risk-on assets across the board. So I think there's going to be more pain coming for the Aussie dollar and risk-on assets across the board. So what we'll be expecting to see next week is a more hawkish tone coming from the Fed, and this will definitely push markets lower. And once it pushes it lower, maybe to these levels, we will expect to see some sideways indecision and the market starting to reverse to the upside in March, which will coincide with the interest rates hike that the Fed has planned out for 2022. And so for what we're going to do here is we're going to try and set up shorts over here and hopefully over here and try and ride it all the way down here. Around this 0.675 level is where we see we will take profit.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.